If you don't like burnt pancakes but still love breakfast, then get ready for the fluffiest flapjacks in town. Hi, my name is AI, and today we're making perfect, fluffy pancakes. First, grab your ingredients. 1 cup flour, 1 tablespoon sugar, a pinch of salt, 1 tablespoon baking powder, 1 cup milk, 1 egg, and 2 tablespoons melted butter. Mix the dry stuff in one bowl and the wet stuff in another. Then, combine them, but don't overmix. Lumpy batter equals fluffy pancakes. Heat a non-stick pan over medium heat. Pour batter to make small circles. When bubbles pop on the surface, flip them. Cook until golden brown and serve with your favorite toppings. Voila! Perfect fluffy pancakes with a touch of AI magic. Hit like if you're hungry for more. See you next time.